Hello guys, this is the last lesson of chapter 4, lesson 3, solving polynomial equation and inequalities. In this lesson, we will just reviewing these lessons that we have learned in these lessons from the chapter 4. And in this lesson, just we want the value of x. And look at here. The first example, use factoring to solve this polynomial. Here we have this polynomial. Okay, we have to factor it. Let's factor this polynomial. At the first we have x. Look at here, we have x in all the terms. So just think about it. Take out this x. How many x? I told you at the least power. The least power of x is 1. So you have to take out x to power 1. Then divide all term by x to power 1. Divide all term by x to power 1. X 2x to power 3 divided by x is equal to 2x to power 2. Then minus 7x to power 2 x to power 1 cancel. Just we have 1x plus 3. Okay, now we will write down this x. Then for here we have to factor it again. Here we have 2x minus 7x plus 3. So for this coefficient, you have to write it in one of these brackets. We will write down 2x here and x here. Then minus times minus is minus, plus. Just here we have to find out the number, which is the answer is the multiply of this number is equal to 3 and the added is equal to 7. So we will write minus and minus here, minus here. So 3 times 1, just we have 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So we will write down 1 times 3. Let's check it. Close multiply by closer and far from far. Minus 1 times x is equal to minus x. Then minus 3 times 2x is equal to minus 6x. This is equal to 6. We have to add it. 6. This is equal to minus 7x. Here we have minus 7x. Yeah, look at here, we have it. So our factoring is right. Let us find out the value of this x. Here we have 3. The value of this x just equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Then here we have 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This one going to the other side of this equality. This is equal to 2x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the second solution. What about here? 3 minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x, this 3 going to the other side of this equality. This is equal to 3. This is the third value of x. So in this polynomial, we have three factor. One of them is 0. The second one is 1 over 2. The third one is 30. Let's solve this one. Okay. Use factoring to solve this polynomial. Okay. Again, just look at here. Each term we have x. We have x in each term. So again, where is the least power of x? The least power of x is 1. So divide all term by x to power 1. Okay, take out x here. Then this is become 2x to power 2. Then this is 2x to power 2. Then plus x plus this is minus x. Again, we have to factor in again. Put down this x. Then open two bracket. One of them 2x here. One of them x here. Okay. We will putting down the sign, but not this sign. For example, we will put down minus and plus here. Okay. So which number multiply which is equal to negative 6? Of course, we know 3 times 2. Let's write 3 times 2 here. Then we will check it. Okay. I told you, if we have a number next to the greatest power, the highest power of our polynomial, you have to multiply close to close, far from far. Okay, here we have what? Minus 3x. Then multiply this two term together for x. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So add it. A minus 3 plus 4 is equal to positive 1. Then x. This is equal to x, positive x. Yeah, of course, it's here. So our factoring is right. Okay. The second step is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. This is 0. The first solution. What about this one? Here we have 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Then 2x, this 3 going to the other side of the equality. This is equal to 3. Then both sides divide by 2. X is equal to 3 divided by 2. This is the second value of x. What about the third one? X plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2. This is the third value. I hope it's clear. Look at this example. In this example, we have studied the synthetic division. At the previous lesson, we studied about this. If you don't look at this, you can go and look at it. So, look at this polynomial. In this polynomial, we don't have x for each terms. Look at here. In these terms, we have it, but what about here? We don't have it. In this example, you have to find out one of the factors of 9. One of the factor of 9, of course, is 1. Okay, so 1 is is the one of the factors of 9. So 1 is the factor of 9, so this is equal to x. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's use synthetic division here. Here we have what? 1. Write 1 here. Then write down all the coefficients, but be careful with the ordering power. Here we have 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is right. Just put down the coefficient. Coefficient of this is 1, then minus 7, then 15, then minus 9. Okay. Now put down this one here, then multiply this one by this one. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Add it. This is equal to minus 6. Then this one multiplied by a minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Minus 15 plus minus 6 is equal to 9. Again multiply it. 1 times 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. This I told you this is a remainder. This is a remainder. And what about here? This is x to power 0. Start with the x to power 0, then x to power 1, then x to power 2. Write with their coefficient. Okay, let's write it. Sorry. Here we have x squared minus 6x plus 9. X to power 0 is equal to 1. Don't forget this. Okay, I told you 1 is the one of the coefficients factors of 9. So we found it out this x minus 1. So this is our first polynomial, and the second one is x minus 1. Okay, now let's factoring. Look at the question. We have two asks. Synthetic division. Use synthetic division. We use it. Then factoring to find what? To find the answer, the value of x. So let's factor in this. Let's factor in this one. Here we don't need factoring, but here we have to factor it. Okay, here we have x to power 2. We don't have any coefficient here, just write x here, 1x here. Then here we have 9. Of course we have 3 times 3 is equal to 9. What about this sign? Here we will put down negative, then negative times positive is equal to negative. Put down this one, x to power x minus 1, then find out the answer. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Just put this one minus 1 to the other side of the equality. Again, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Put to the other side of the equality. This x is equal to 3. Okay. And in this bracket again we have x is equal to 3. It means we have 3 value of this x. One of them is 1, one of them 3, and one of them is 3. What about this example? In this example, again, use factoring. Here just we have to use factoring. Okay, and just look at the terms of this polynomial. Here we have x, but here we don't have x. So you have to factoring all, sorry, factoring, and just let's open two brackets. One of them, here we have x to power 4. X to power 4. 4, it means 2 and 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. It means x to power 2 and x to power 2. And here we have minus plus. It means you have to put minus and minus here. And find out a number which is their products is 3, and they're adding be minus 4. Okay, for 3 just we have 3 times 1. 3 times 1. Okay, now you can check it, but this is right. Let's find out the answer, the value of this x. Here we have x to power 2 minus 3. It means x to power 2 is equal to 3. Then by taking square roots for both sides, this is equal to x is equal to plus and minus the square root of 3. What about the second one? X squared minus 1 equal to 0. This is equal to x to power 2 is equal to 1. By taking square roots, this is equal to x plus and minus 1. So here we have 4 zeros. It means a value of x plus and minus square root of 3 plus and minus 1. Okay, let's solve the last example. The last example, we have inequality. Okay, this equality, just this example said solve the inequality. Okay, at the first, just equal to 0. Don't look at this sign. Equal to 0. Equal this polynomial. This polynomial is equal to 0. X to power 4 minus 4x to power 2 is equal to 0. In each term we have x, so you can take out the least power of x. Here, where is our least power? Our least power is x to power 2. Divide each term by x to power 2. Write x to power 2 here. Then x to power 4 divided by x to power 2 is equal to x to power 2. Then minus 4, we don't have x because x to power 2 divided by x to power 2 is equal to 1. Okay. So let's equal to 0. X to power 2 equal to 0. It means by taking a square root again, x is equal to 0. At again this one, x to power 2 minus 4 equal to 0. This is equal to x to power 2 is equal to 4. By taking a square root for both sides, this is equal to x is equal to plus and minus 2. Look at here. Here we have 0. Our solution is, one of them is 0, and the other one is equal to minus 2. Here we have minus 2 and plus 2. Okay, so just pretend that this is a number line. This is a number line. So where is our solution? Our solution is equal to minus 2, between minus 2 and plus 2. By taking any value between minus 2, from here till plus 2, it means negative 2, till positive 2. All these values become 2 positive. But outside of this value, this all will be negative. Okay, our solution is between minus 2 and plus 2. And this was about today's lesson.